Hey everybody, this week we are trading Nonfarm, which means that we can make a very good profit, and for this we need to do at least two things. The first is to look at the economic calendar to see what is expected to buy or sell. And the second is to look at the technical analysis. I will show the reversal points. I will show the resistance support lines where the price after the release of non-farm payrolls can turn around. I will also show the currency pair where my trading robot can make the best money. Okay, here we go. So look, on Friday, February 7th, there's going to be news. The US non-farm payrolls, and the previous reading was 256,000 and the forecast is 154,000. This means that if the data comes out worse than predicted, it is highly probable that the dollar may fall. But I wasn't lazy and looked at what came before that. I did a little analysis, looked at the statistics. Let's take a look at the screen. Last month, employment was also expected to decline. It was 212,000 and they were expecting 164,000, but the data release was the exact opposite. The data was 256,000, and this reversed the movement of the dollar. This means that the predictability of this news is weak. But if you want to make money on non-pharma and still have doubts for now that you are just starting to learn the financial market, the first thing I recommend you to do is to take my basic course. There I tell you how to trade on news in more detail and also tell you other basic fundamental things. Moreover, I am a partner of AMarkets. If you open an account at the link in the description in the company AMarkets, then I will give you the basic course, absolutely free when depositing from $300. And the second thing is that if you doubt where the price will go, think to buy or sell, then just wait for the news release. The price will move in some direction up or down, and after the strong movement passes, you can get into a deal in the opposite direction. I often do this myself. That is, if the price fell after the news release, I buy and make money on the correction. Or if the price went far up, then as soon as the price calmed down, you can sell and earn on the decline. And at this moment, it is important to know where the price can turn around after a strong movement. And it usually turns around either on the resistance lines or on the support lines. Let's look at the chart where we have such lines. Look, this is the euro-dollar pair in the MetaTrader 5 terminal. And the euro-dollar is the pair that is most often used to trade the dollar on the non-farm. And if the price goes down sharply, the first thing that will stop it is the support line. Look, here in this place, you can buy and make money on the growth if the price reaches this support line. If the price goes sharply upwards, the first thing that will stop it is the resistance line. Here, you will be able to sell and make money on the decline. Also note that there are different resistance lines. I often use such lines to understand where the price will turn. And even if there is no news, but the price is in these areas, you can also sell here and make money on the decline from these resistance lines. If you want to get the best reversal points with analysis, charts, and support and resistance lines, subscribe to my VIP channel on Telegram, where I post my trades. Now, let's take a look at the euro and yen currency pair. Even if you don't trade non-farm, make sure you use technical analysis. It's not hard to do. See, the currency pair is in a triangle pattern area. Last week I gave this signal. Look, the price did just that. It came to the resistance line, broke off and went down. You could have capitalized on the fall. Now the price is going down. If it reaches the support line, you can buy here and make money on the upside. Put an alert so you don't miss this signal. Or subscribe to my Telegram channel. I post such deals there from time to time. Now let's talk about the Australian dollar to New Zealand dollar currency pair. I already said last week that it is in a sideways trend and it is best to run my trading robot on it. Why on this particular currency pair? My trading robot likes price to go just up and down in some sort of corridor. That's when it makes the most money. This is possible in buy and sell mode at the same time. And this currency pair, Aussie New Zealand, it is constantly going up and down, up and down. That is, it has a good correctiveness. I like that a lot. Even now, despite the fact that the price has gone down a little bit, it is still in the corridor again. Look at the M30 time frame. You see how well it is correcting? Up and down, up and down, up and down. And it doesn't go anywhere far. This is very favorable for a trading robot. If you haven't tried it yet, write to me at the link in the description. If you are a client of AMarkets, I will definitely give you my robot for free for testing. And lastly, I wanted to tell you about my favorite trading strategy, which I often use when trading at the moment of Nonfarm release. Since the dollar moves very strongly and directionally at the moment of the Nonfarm's release, it means that it is very good to trade on a calm market at this moment. And what kind of market will be calm at this moment? The one where there is no dollar, and there is no dollar on cross-currency pairs. For such cases, my favorite currency pair is the Euro-Pound. Look, I'm going to show an example of just Friday's close, but it's very similar to the movement of this currency pair as the non-farm payrolls come out. As soon as the news comes out, if the currency pair goes in one direction, it's likely to correct back after that. About the same movement. After that, it may move down again. After that, it may correct up again. And then, as the market calms down, the Euro-Pound will fluctuate up and down several times. In this case, as we can see, there was no directional movement. But these fluctuations up and down, made us feel more calm. And it is possible to make money on a deal which can be opened in any direction. That is, no matter where you open a deal, the price is likely to correct in the opposite direction, and you can make money on it. So, if you didn't make money, you just waited for the price to come back up and went out in a zero trade. If you bought from the support line or sold from the resistance line around this volatility corridor, you can probably make money on it. So, if you are just starting out, I highly recommend you to try this strategy to avoid getting into the hottest phase on euro dollars, where there will be a strong movement. You can trade on a more calm, predictable market of the Euro-Pound. These are the recommendations for this week. I wish everyone a successful trading week. Subscribe to my Telegram channel and YouTube channel. I wish everyone a successful trading week. Trade with pleasure. Bye, everyone.